You are going to love the 2016 Q70L. The luxurious INFINITI Q70L offers plush interior accommodations and a spacious interior cabin. Passengers of the Q70L will feel like they're riding first class all the way. Enhanced agility and safety protection features fill this luxury sedan and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, speed control, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.